in this next chapter, which is the chapter of AI and robotics. And I see, again, more. I'm talking a lot about weather today because I'm recently off the phone with a Earth observation company that's doing incredible stuff with predictive weather patterns to insurance companies, local farmers, etc. But if you see the sort of AI revolution and robotics, what I think that is going to do, and what it's already been doing in the climate space, is it's accelerating the pace of change. And so it's enabling conversational interfaces to take action on issues versus a search first or a mobile first, which is what you saw in the first two chapters. We're seeing robotics companies that are, sending spiders up to fix wind farms. And those are very dangerous jobs for humans. They take a long time to fix. It's the number one issue if you're looking at wind projects, is the maintenance of the blades. So if you take robotics and you add on top of that a software layer to kind of predict damage or give fast fixes, it actually just enables the acceleration of change in a way that is much, much faster. So, we see the rise of AI and robotics to be really this next wave of what's going to power forward the climate tech revolution in particular.